This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by making sure the iPhone and Apple Watch share one Apple ID and are updated. On the iPhone, open Settings, sign into FaceTime if needed, and confirm Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on. Pairing should already be active. If not, pair the watch now via the Watch app. Once done, keep the devices close. The Apple Watch uses the iPhone's FaceTime audio routing and continuous connection to initiate calls and mirror contact availability. Next, in the Watch app on your iPhone, navigate to My Watch and then Phone to control call behavior. Make sure Default Audio Route allows automatic use of watch speaker or paired Bluetooth headset. When initiating a FaceTime audio call from the iPhone contacts or phone app, tap the audio output icon and select your Apple Watch. This directs FaceTime audio to the watch mic and speaker. The watch acts as a remote audio endpoint rather than running FaceTime natively. To complete, place a FaceTime audio call from your iPhone or say, "Hey Siri, FaceTime audio name," and then select the watch as the output when prompted. Make sure the watch volume and microphone are unobstructed. If you hit problems, first toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then restart both devices. If that doesn't fix it, reset network settings on the iPhone or unpair and repair the watch. This sequence clears cached routes and typically restores FaceTime audio to the watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.